Nirmala Ganyam Biagamalka Nur Online TV channel. Kajan Guasame Bana Raj Panajali, Raj Banaling, Raj Mishalat, Kakiwish Nasser, Udala General Lure Kong, Ramen La Larry, SSPDF Kidine, Kirma Yadit, Alat, Rajan Chalat Jan Bananywakel Guasame, Kakiwich Nasser County. Channing Adenu Ray Wiccan Nasser. Take a tung one to lot Korean long and time Kajan Dover me to dwell now and Wodong they can civilian Kiji which they can mark they can make they can Tolton continue tenny Harley. Alright, chocolate guas me jan banaling on can cononi am gorejan or me jaram jadit can or on 90 channel gorejan or bidin yok nasan kokin. Kala rame bana rach katungnat Kenya kakore bejo lat katuk English. En ler bu kon yung gwada me Kenyam katungnat. De nitin te re which kanasir. Okay, ki de nitin kontin wure we kanasir. La de ni SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force. Chala do shikan wa ko bika majwa kap tena hali. Shikan wa ko bika majbagan ko nang ten nenden kontin te re we kanasir. Dung do wukan gerne de nitin tere which kanasir ko kan chika janya long re which kanasir ko do baran en chalat kaje Ramadan and la SSPDF spokesperson General Lul Reko ko raja dan en chalat kaje gwasame Lul Reko jaram dan la raj no charaje me chaje kwen chay gwar ka social media de kay nyok chalat ka media ne ten content re which ka South Sudan jan bana kula nywaga ka do bana chelat ka ja ko kan diti non kan dire re which anten nathan ko de ni ngum wo kan lel ka kan nasir ka jamo ko kan de diti chigan do bang ne nen ber SSPDF kan e ber dung South Sudan ban raja me ban je choling ogwa ka do be chelat ka ja gwasa me en general lure kong raja dana che kwing pin ka shankan wan ka jok janatala nei shap ko de nei tin kon tin tere we can also de nei maken de kan ka kaf de nei ka kaf ajana there's no plan disarmament operation in Upper State Nasser County janatala nei plan ko de nei me de nei ka captain hale na mo kana na lalat Shimeja General Shela nene la lure kong ano ka kor nin dangwan ano CSS PDF command Shilodian che je ka long ka misinformation and an chalinka Nathan Kondi logo de malder reten ano eno SSPDF awaken kanasser ano eko bikan mej bikan go kep ki buko ne kontere we kan nasir bikan ka wo wochre woch jan na mo chete ka plan na moneling jan rach mishajan chine te ka plan ko te ke hale te wa wochre we kan nasir kishine te ka plan ko dong te ko kor mukap ko kan nasir kishine te ka plan ko bine mej ten konin te ten hale bine ka kan ke bine kana kunila clarify ne jen wo lo jane raj gonen jen wo baje lingano mission mo wo ke de kanasar county wo bikan ne de konte ci jan la SSPDF tin ci jan re we kanasar bikan ko ger ba ne ti ba kan ro jok ko kujamo en misinformation ke la dan shaling kani lar mi she mugwa sha community cha je inform jek kani na mo she tok tele den more wujin bina mi kanasar ko biga na bigan ko mo kariyak kani den kontin tishukela dini SSPDF tintere we kan nasir akan wa gere kamo ba ka loch ba ka nan gwada din akane anyok chinei nuf ke necessary unified force chinei ka benang gwada min ajannena ajanne SSPDF kan bene ka nangre we kan nasir chimu ko montama and unified force ya de nangre we kan nasir ko kan ngoda telekamach terka dien kan deni unified force telekamach ku jamo shaka be deploy shaka be lazlet shaka be nangre we kan nasir ko chetene to wanda shoot kan nasir no ke ne de kontila kwar ano anang kan unified force ajana tel unified force mtekamach ngoda tel meti channel yalka kwidian ka kwijamo kan deni content wore wujin winami ka SSPDF joraj mo chajaladen general lure kong mela leria lat ka deni SSPDF ajana kan deni kon ci janya longre we kan nasir ka gwad me bar akan gone ba wujona tel bradien gone lene public no nene unified force shaka bilalet ka jen ke ka tong duno ba ka lazlet gwad dana wo mech wo ka ben mu ka kamech bugi ba ka shul deploy gonna dial kontere we ka so Sudan ko be kan mal jatu wana chun tama tele mishali o be unified force bore which kan nasaton nasaton chai bu much ke unified force ke jen kwasama siga nasar community jogun na kene de kontila dinya tele mu gorkor cha dini cha nang re we kan nasar ko bu ko nyen ke ya cha nang re we kan nasar ko bu ko mej bu kan go kap en roje dana chaling jen o she tok cha roje mo cha ja kwen general lul rekong ko do dana en chinetung wan chiken gu jen o nang dinya nang kan kor nang kan nasar biya chuling o go ko roje dana chalat en ramdana la kwer dinya ko gor ko no ban madan le ro ban jangach gor ga jeno ba information rana chalat changchi tok ba ki dong tok ban jeling kel ban je chuling ka tok english ka do ban en charge gor ka jang. The spokesperson of the South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF on Thursday said there's no planned disarmament operation in Upper Nile State, Nasser County, but the relief of troops who have served there for a long time. A press statement signed by Major General Lure say that in the last 4 days, the South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF command has learned with great dismay and disappointment the propaganda, misinformation, and disinformation being spread by anti-peace elements in the country and diaspora on the motive of SSPDF forces to go to Nasser County. Due to concern raised, uncertainty and anxiety caused, the SSPDF command leadership would like to take this opportunity to make some clarification on the intended mission to Nasser County. The statement read in part, in line with administrative routine activities and based on Nasser community and state authority requests, the SSPDF commander decided to relieve forces due to persistent misunderstanding on a wide range of issues, including social issues between own forces and the host community, and intermittent or sporadic army clashes. Forces in Nasser are also being relieved due to physical confinement to their barracks and general restriction of movement when on and off duty, and because they had overstayed in Nasser, General Luray added. He further explained that they could not deploy the necessary unified forces instead of the SSPDF in Nasser County because those unified forces with guns have been deployed and those remain lacking firearms. So for that reason, unified force, they do not have a gun. They cannot be deployed with a stick. It is good to remind members of the public that all necessary unified force in phase 1 were deployed, except for those without guns. With the sticks and logically speaking, such forces cannot be deployed in a hostile area such as Nasser town. He's calling Nasser a hostile country, a hostile state that a unified force cannot be deployed in hostile county like Nasser town. Lure Kong stated. Once again, SSPDF would like to reassure members of the public in general and the greater Nasser community in particular that there are no operational plan in order to conduct a disarmament exercise in the aforementioned areas. On the same note, there are no operation plan in order to deploy additional SSPDF forces at any other place apart from Nasser. He said that, bearing in mind that the forces on the move to Nasser are purely for peaceful and administrative reasons, SSPDF command or leadership would like to urge those army civilians that have been mobilized for possible army confrontation to immediately disperse to avoid unnecessary bloodshed along Nile and Soba rivers on which SSPDF riverine or unit are moving. Failure to comply with the above-mentioned appeal, SSPDF reserve the right to respond with deadly force and self-defense once aggressive, General Luray warned. Failure to comply with the above-mentioned appeal, SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, reserve the right to respond with deadly force in self-defense once aggressive, General Luray warned. Gwada me General Luray menchalara jana mu kan halu kan gajek 1 year gwada dana jel babure ken ke bone ken ten ajana bika nyen ke hali jerai dana chala take the last message here ajana bika nyen ka hali enemy aka wo rodian aka chete gwada mo which mean that kan de ne bikan ko bikan hali bikan ka banak mishana malar. So in the end of the day kamshalar gwada me but yiga kur ka chela de gwan no shi de chicken ko bigi nyin ka hale ka right now chela nyo gwada me no chine goro no bine ne de content na tila hali to avoid confrontation here, okay, and to avoid any bloodshed, unnecessary bloodshed along Nile and Saba River on which SSPDF River Riverine are moving. Can go ne civilian no can bika Rodian watch aka wo Rodian gwada mo wo civilian Rodian gwada mo ko jane ba kan nak ne ko na dinya. So we mean that a la plan chalani algo mo she true ko shala do no tele ka plan ko biken hal biken kama ka tele ka plan ko de kan me de kan ka ka le ka jana ta ma jane gwada me mu ne ka jek lo biken ne pat bine ka nak. So that's what he say here. He said that bearing in mind that the forces on the move to Nasser are purely for peaceful. Chala de to kan de ni kono gwada mi ka wukan kamal, you know. Kan do mashaka an administrative reason. Do mashaka indicate je biya wala ka kana real ka gwada me. SSPDF command or leadership would like to urge those army civilians. Can and ne South Sudan te kana jok ne ya lat kan haltin contented kan kamach tin children real ka ke children mobilize, you know. Ko mu ko to bu nyen ke dich South Sudan mu wa ka jek wangela ke wang year kanal jane to bine nyen ka dino ko chine goro bu nyen ka wo rodian ka lo chine ke. So which means that General Lure Kong chakur che jangok in that matter. So jana gore nywaga yekel ani jana dan lere shi bin ma mitim din nyaw gorbe jeno ye ka ta dan dong de malda bin ka je shalat panyo de malda tin, but the last paragraph here is different from the previous one. Okay, bye bye.